oh, oh, uh, this person has it worse than me. Oh, they self-harm, they have it worse than me. Oh, their parents are not nice. Oh, they have been through a very hard breakup. Oh, no, it's okay, I'm still doing better than them. No, you're not. No, you're not. Why are you diminishing your mental health by comparing it to other people? Why are we comparing our mental health to other people? Trauma is trauma, no matter what the trauma is, no matter if it's a heartbreak or a loss of a person, a loved one, or having an accident or anything. Trauma is trauma. Why are we like, oh, this trauma, if you have this trauma, you are doing, like, you are hitting the rock bottom, you are having it worse than me, you deserve more help than I deserve. No, everybody deserves help. Everybody should reach out, no matter how small you think your problem is. It's still a problem. It is fine. You are not a bad person for being like, oh, I need attention, care, and help because I failed my exam and I feel shitty about it. You are not fighting for your rights. This is not a competition. Oh, my mother died, I need more help. Oh, I failed my exam, I can't ask for help because their mother died. No, their mother died, it's their trauma. You failed your exam, it's your thing. Come on. This is like, what a different category to even compare yourself to. I mean, you should not compare yourself to any category of trauma at all, but like, come on, what the hell? Don't invalidate your nervous system. It prevents you from processing your trauma because you're constantly arguing with your trauma. Oh, sorry bro, this is very less trauma. This is the category of trauma that I have. Not worth it to get help. Sorry, can't get help. How stupid is that? And I've been there. Every time you think, oh, this is nothing. No, I'm not going through it right now. People have it worse than me. Look at this person, they have it worse than me. They deserve help. You also deserve help. And if you keep pushing it away, it will come back like a big ass slap in your face, or a punch. I made a punch and said slap. But don't, if you need help right now, reach out. Go to therapy. Seek professional help. Talk to a friend. Talk about your feelings. Just because you think that other people's problems are bigger than yours doesn't mean that is true, because you are your brain is crazy. Okay, don't listen to your brain. I will say that in every single video I will ever make, because brain is stupid. You should tell the brain what to think about and how to do things. Brain should not be telling you what to do. Okay, it's the other way around. Being this overly empathetic person and feeling for everybody. Oh my god, this country is going through this person is going through this, I will be the one to talk about this, I will be the one to protest about this. What about your mental health? Who's going to talk about that? Who's protesting for that? You have to put yourself first. I'm sorry, this might be an odd opinion for some people, but you have to take care of yourself first. You can't be the person to save the world if you can't save yourself first. You just can't. And also, delaying all of this just makes it so much worse, because in my own experience, I'll tell you, I used to be like, oh, I am going to the gym, I'm waking up early, I am kind of studying for class or whatever, I'm eating food sometimes, I'm fine. I was not fine because I had a lot in my head, but I was just like, but I'm doing the normal basic things, and other people have it so much worse than me. I'm still eating and going to the gym. I'm better, like, I'm doing better. Yeah, of course I'm doing better. No, I was not doing better. I was just getting worse and worse and worse. And then when there was no other point, like there was no other level of worse I could get, that's when I realized, oh shit, this is bad, guys. I think I need help. Yes, should have realized 1 year later. 1 year earlier, sorry. But it's okay. At least I realized. Good. But yeah, this is a sign for you to realize 1 year earlier, or however many years ago. What am I saying? Yeah, I'm just saying, I'm just saying, if you're going through something, and if it's a small thing in your head, it's fine. It's not a small thing. You are valid. Your feelings are valid. Your anxiety, your depression, your sadness, your feelings are valid. Just because other people have it worse doesn't mean that you don't deserve help or just nice things. Okay? And also this never ending cycle of, you know what, I know what my problem is, but I don't know. What is the point of therapy? Like, I know what my problem is, but the point of therapy is to help out with that problem. I know you know your problem, but a therapist will help you with that problem. That is the whole point. That is the whole point. It's their job to help you figure things out, which you think you have already figured out, but you haven't. I think everybody should go to therapy, in my opinion. I should also rejoin therapy soon. Don't look at me like that. Soon. But no matter, even if you're not going through anything in life, you're having a perfect life in your opinion, still go to therapy. Just talk to, if you have the money for it. And I'm so sorry that therapy is so fucking expensive. I wish I could do something to change that, but change about that. I wish I could do something to change that. Yeah, I said it correctly. Why did I? Yeah, but if I could, I would. Honestly, I would. The biggest change that is needed in this world is to make therapy less expensive. Because why is trauma free and therapy expensive as fuck? Like, somebody explain this concept to me. Don't explain capitalism to me. I know. Sorry. Yeah. So I don't know. I was rambling, man. I'm just saying, please don't put other people's problems above your own problems, or other people in general above you. Please save yourself and then try to save others. Yeah, that is all. I love you. Take care.